Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the EWEADN Typewriter style mechanical keyboard, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. This keyboard combines a nostalgic retro typewriter aesthetic with modern mechanical keyboard technology, making it a unique choice for both typists and gamers. The EWEADN keyboard features 104 keys with round keycaps that mimic the look of a classic typewriter, complete with a matte texture that enhances the tactile feel. It uses custom pink mechanical switches known for their smooth linear action, low resistance, and quiet operation when pressed lightly. This makes it an excellent option for users who want a satisfying typing experience without the loud, clicky noise typically associated with mechanical keyboards. One of the standout features is the multimedia control knob, allowing quick and easy adjustments to volume and lighting without interrupting your workflow or gaming session. The keyboard offers 19 different LED backlight effects, which can be customized with 5 levels of brightness and speed adjustments. These lighting options add a vibrant and dynamic look to your setup, while the dedicated media buttons provide convenient control over music playback. Compatibility is another strong point. The wired keyboard uses a Type-C connection, ensuring stable and high-speed data transmission with minimal latency. It supports a wide range of operating systems including Windows 7 through 10, XP, Vista, Linux, and macOS. Switching between Windows and Mac modes is seamless by pressing Fn plus tab, requiring no additional drivers or software. Pros of this keyboard include its unique retro design, smooth and quiet pink switches, versatile multimedia controls, extensive backlighting options, and broad OS compatibility. On the downside, being a wired keyboard might limit portability, and users who prefer tactile or clicky switches may find the linear pink switches less satisfying. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish mechanical keyboard that blends vintage charm with modern functionality, the EWEADN Typewriter style mechanical keyboard is a compelling choice. Don't forget, the link to grab this keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out while the offer lasts.